Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to remove dark circles in Photoshop. Let's get started. First things first, we want to preserve our original image, so we'll create a duplicate of the background layer. Just press Ctrl+J on your keyboard, and you'll see a new layer pop up. Next, click on the background layer and create a new layer by clicking the new layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This will be our working layer. Now select the first layer, Layer 1, and let's convert it for Smart Filters. Go up to the Filter menu, click on Convert for Smart Filters. This step will allow us to edit our filter later if needed. Now it's time for the magic. Go back to the Filter menu, scroll down to Other, and select High Pass. Slowly increase the value while keeping an eye on your image. Stop when you begin to see the dark circles becoming more pronounced. This brings out the texture that we'll work with. Once you're happy with the High Pass filter, change the blend mode from normal to overlay. This will help emphasize the details and blend the effect smoothly with your image. Here's a neat trick to blend these layers even better. Hold the Alt key and click between Layer 1 and the new layer you created earlier. This will clip them together, allowing us to work on just the areas we need. Next, select the new layer, Layer 2, and grab the eyedropper tool from your toolbar. Make sure the sample is set to current and below, and the sample size is set to 5x5 average. Zoom into the area where the dark circles are most visible. Hold the Alt key and click to sample the skin tone near the dark circles. Now reduce the brush flow to 1% for smooth blending and start painting over the dark circles. Don't rush this step. Light, gentle strokes will give the best result. And there you go. With just a few simple steps, those dark circles are gone, leaving your image looking flawless. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.